Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to be potting on these tomatoes. I've got two of them. They are Gardener's Delight. They've not been looked after really well. They've been allowed to dry out a few times. But I'm going to be showing you how to pot them on, how to prune them, how to take out the side shoots, and then how to stake them. I have, for all this, I have seed that's already made up. That is, down here, that is tomarite that I always use for my tomatoes. 2 bamboo canes, snips, peat-based compost, which is there, nice crumbly texture, and then some wire. You can use twine like this, or you can use the like Hessian, that's a lot smoother. It's not as rough as that. This will be fine. I have one in here already soaking, but as you can see, start to get some flowers on, so it is time to plant them up. So first of all, I've got a pot here. This is probably 12 inches across, about 14 inches deep. So what I'm doing with this is just filling it up. When you plant them up as well, I try to bury them a little bit. The main stem, it just encourages it to produce more roots. So let's have a look at this. See how much compost is in here. Let's have a look at the shower. Yeah, that's fine. And if you can see there, that's going to be a couple inches deep. So first of all, let's check that out. Put it to one side. And all I'm going to do with this is just take my snippers, that little side shoot there, this here as well, like so. And then as I'm coming up, I'm going to do this one, and then spin it round and do these here as well. That leaves all that there, so I can then plant it up to there. So get my chair up here. I'm still sorry, I'm a bit taller there. Say hi, monkey. Hi, Paul. So yeah, all we're going to be doing with this then is in here, just give it a shake so it's nice and level. Take your finger and forefinger and then just give it a knock like so. A nice root system there, and then just place it where you want it to be. So yeah, all I'm going to be doing with this then is just filling him around there. Getting all my compost, fill it all the way around. I'm nearly out of compost now. I'm going to have to buy some more next week. So I'm using every last little bit. Waste not want that. Spin it around a little bit more. Yeah, I'm going to stake it now as well, because if you can hear it going through some roots, it's not the end of the world. It will produce more roots, and it will thicken up nicely. But yeah, when these are potted on, let's get a bit more compost, folks. Right, so I've just opened this up. This is an organic peat-free compost, this. So it's got a bit of peat-based compost and a bit of peat-free. So yeah, I'm going to get this all the way around. Plant it right up. Be about an inch from the top. And then give it a really good firm down. You don't want it moving about. So that's that done like so. Right, so that's nicely firmed up. So I'm going to be taking my canes now. And then I'm going to put these, lean it back a little bit, put these probably 2 inches away from the main stem, right down to the bottom. Right, so and then one at the other side. You can just see this, folks. One at the other side, like so. Leave that a couple of inches away as well. And that wants to be nice and straight to the bottom. Just push it back there. As you can see, all I'm going to be doing then is just taking my snips. If you can just see here, taking my snips and just cutting any of the side chips off. If it get in there like that, just thumb and forefinger, just take that out like so. So it produces more. It will then put more energy into the top, into here. So yeah, as I go around here like so, this is the main the main shoot, I shall cut this side shoot off there, and then we shall start tying it in then. So using a little bit of wire here, what I'll do with this is just gently, like so, push that across. You want to be nice and gentle with it. Doesn't need to be tight, just has to stop it moving about, because this will start, it starts producing flowers. It start with quite a little bit of weight on here, so just spin that round. If you turn around there, that gives it enough room to go in between, and that gives it enough room to go right to the top. So yeah, that is the first bit I've tied in. Keep my eyes on this now. Just have a look at that. That's how to prune and tie them in. Push it back there. This will go at the back there, just near that wall. You should get enough light now. It's been under my LED grow lights for a certain amount of time. All I'll do with this now is give it a really good feed. This is Tomarite liquid tomato food, and it will really enjoy this. These aren't going to be big tomato plants. I'm going to keep these quite short, only as tall as my canes, which is probably 2.5 feet, 3 feet tall at the most. I have to keep pruning them out. Spin this one round. You get really good. See, I'm lucky that I've got this greenhouse which isn't heated at the moment, but it stays warm enough that these will grow well in here. That's probably 2 litres of water and feed in here, which is great. So now that's done. Oops, daisy. I shall move these petunias out of the way, and this will go over here to the right side of my plot. It's about 1 foot away from the side there. Keep my eyes on it, make sure everything's growing okay, and make sure there's nothing wrong with them. So yeah, that's how to prune your gardens like tomato plants and how to stake them. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe, and please give me a thumbs up and a like. Say goodbye, monkey. Goodbye, Paul. Goodbye, monkey. Thank you very much for watching, everybody. Please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.